I've heard a lot of discussions, especially now that Urban Meyer is doing commentary on the Fox Sports Network about the spread offense and numbers. Well, just remember this, coaches. When you run the triple option offense, you always have the numbers. And in Flexbone offense football, when you line up in a balanced formation, you line up in a double flex formation, fans might scream in the stands, oh, they got 10 in the box. But it doesn't matter. Here's why. They can only put 5.5 people to each side. Obviously, if they put more to one side in a balanced formation, you run the ball the other way, and they'd have less people to that side. If they line up balanced, which 90+% of people do, they're only going to be able to put 5.5 people on one side. The action key, the mic, number 1, number 2, number 3, and in this case, number 4 is the free safety. In high school, based on a 10-year study, number 4 is in the middle of the field 80% of the time. So pretty much, this is what you're seeing on a week-to-week basis. So here's what happens with the triple option. These two people are canceled by the quarterback, and they cannot be right. They can't be right. When your quarterback implicitly cancels 1 and 2, now they're down to 3.5. They got 3.5 people that can make the tackle. The most dangerous is the action key. He's the first defensive lineman inside the read. First D lineman inside of number 1. And you're going to be double teaming him. So you're going to cover him up and vertically remove him. The second most dangerous guy is the mic. Now, Paul Johnson says in the history of the offense, he makes more tackles than anybody else. I can tell you this from qualitative observation. If you move that guy struggles to make the tackle, if at all. Because once you move, you clear the path for the B-back, and he's rendered helpless. That's why that block is that important. It's the game changer of your life right there. Then obviously the next most important people to block are him and him. If they pitch the ball, obviously he's the most important guy to block. If it's a dive or a keep, which is the majority of triple option football is handing the ball off, he's the next most important guy to block. And you've got 2 people with angles to block 2 people. So, want to know why Flexbone offense football works? This is why. They only have 3.5 people that can make the tackle. And I can tell you this right now, and go all in on this. If you block that son of a gun, it makes it near impossible for him to make the tackle. And pretty much at that point, you're going to get 4+ yards on the play, which leads you to a continuation of successful plays. Remember this, coaches. If you average 4+ yards on first down, you would have led the NFL in rushing over the last 35 years. So, that's that. So, Flexbone offense football. You're always going to have a numbers advantage. Heck with the spread. Let the communists run it. All right, coaches, if you're looking to install the Flexbone offense, the Army, Navy, Paul Johnson way, call me at 570-332-0265, 570-332-0265. Give me a call, and I'll see you in the next video. Talk then.